Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we are going to discuss how we can set up NVIDIA RTX Voice on GTX GPUs. So that's been said, let's get started. Let me tell you that NVIDIA RTX Voice is an AI tool that helps you to reduce background noise when you are recording audio on your Windows computer. So let me show you how you can install and set up NVIDIA RTX Voice on GTX GPUs. For that, simply open any browser and search for NVIDIA RTX Voice and open the link from nvidia.com. So here we have the official website to download NVIDIA RTX Voice. Now to download, simply scroll down and here you will find download link for NVIDIA RTX GPU and higher, and for NVIDIA GeForce GTX CPU. So if you have NVIDIA RTX GPU and higher, you have to download the NVIDIA Broadcast. So this is the same tool for higher NVIDIA RTX graphics card. However, if you have NVIDIA GeForce RTX CPU, then you can download RTX Voice. Here in this video, we will only discuss how we can set up NVIDIA RTX Voice on GTX GPUs. Here you can see it is downloading and it is around 330 MB. Let me complete the download process. Once the download has been completed, simply open this installer file. So here we have the NVIDIA RTX Voice installer window. Let me minimize the browser. Here simply accept the NVIDIA software license agreement. And here you can see it is installing the software. Once the software has been installed, simply click on close. After that, you will get NVIDIA RTX Voice setting. If you don't get this option, you can simply search for NVIDIA RTX Voice on the search option. And here we have our input device settings and output device settings. So if you want to remove background noise from your input device such as microphone, then from the drop down menu, simply select the microphone device, then simply check remove background noise from my microphone. And this will apply the settings to your microphone. Now whenever you record your audio using your microphone, it will remove the background noise in real time. You can also do it for your output device. So that's it. This is how you can set up NVIDIA RTX Voice on your GTX GPUs. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.